Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Go E1ulife platform and tell you why we decided to add it to our success blueprint. Go E1ulife is an all-in-one business system that helps people market any business using AI-powered tools while also offering a lucrative Bitcoin-based affiliate program that pays instantly. It's the best of two worlds: tools to grow your business and ways to make money. And you can do it. Today's training on how to use your credits. Before we get started, I must read the disclaimer and copyright information. Disclaimer. This video is presented by an independent affiliate. Its purpose is solely for educational and informational use, including training new members on how to maximize their products. It is not intended to provide financial advice. Please consult with your own professional advisor or legal counsel for guidance, tailored to your specific situation. All content shared during this broadcast, including but not limited to visuals, presentations, and discussions, is protected by copyright laws. Reproduction, distribution, recording, or sharing of any portion of this broadcast without prior written consent is strictly prohibited. Please report any reproduction of this broadcast to us and YouTube. Thank you for respecting our intellectual property. Now let's get started. I will turn this over to our instructor, Marshonda.
All right, guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to talk to you about using your credits in your back office to start marketing for your business. So I want to say this up front. We have asked each of you to be on the 25 and 100, which would give you 1,250 credits. So once you log into your Go.E1ulife, you're going to see 1,250 credits there, as you see on this particular account. Now, before I get started, I want to set the table with a couple of things. As I mentioned, this is your business. So it's your business means that you have to take control and responsibility for your business. And so you have the opportunity to do this however you'd like. We're just going to share with you some of our suggestions that you can start using the system to start marketing for you on your behalf. And so we're going to share with you some of the tools that we feel you should think about using, and we're going to tell you why. Okay, so you'll have 1,250 credits. Now, again, this is your business, so you're going to want to put aside 10 to 30 minutes a day so you can learn. You got to put in some time. See, artificial intelligence needs your intelligence to grow. You have to put some time into this. It's your business. So just want you to know that. I want you to think about it as if you opened up, if you opened up a grocery store. You're going to take some time to stock the shelves. You're going to take some time to hire the right people to, serve your clients. You're going to take some time to make sure that it's clean, that everything looks great. That's the same way with this. You need to take some time to stock the shelves right now by deciding which tools you want to use. So you log into your Go.E1u back office. You're going to go down to tools, and we're going to tell you the ones that we suggest that you probably might want to consider using. You definitely want to have a funnel builders. Now you might say, well, what's the difference between a funnel and a website? A website is just a brochure and it has a whole bunch of things that people can learn about your company and all of that. No, a funnel pushes people down a specific path, right? And so you definitely want a funnel. This is where you're going to direct people to what you want them to do. This is where you capture your leads. This is where you convert leads, right? So you want to use the funnel builder. That is going to be 150 credits. You hit activate. And they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to activate that? And you're going to say confirm. So we definitely want to activate the funnel builder, right? Now, once you have a funnel, you're going to have people that are going to come in, and they're going to be leads that are going to come in. And so what you're going to do, come back here, you want to activate the email marketing. That's another 150 credits. Now, why? Because you want something that's going to be dripping on your people, because not everybody's going to make the decision day one to get started. So you want something that's going to remind them, keep talking to them about what it is that you have. So you want to activate email marketing. So you're going to hit confirm on that as well. And it's going to come back and it's going to confirm that particular product. So far you've used 300 credits out of your 1250. The next thing that we recommend that you do is that you have the social planner. Now, the social planner is where, where you're going to market to the world, where you're going to open up, and this will market across multiple platforms for you. That's 100 credits. So you want to activate that. So far we've used only 400 credits out of your 1250. And it keeps taking you back to the main page because it's thinking that maybe that's all you want to do, but that's not all we want to do. So far you have a funnel builder that's directing and capturing leads for you. You have email marketing that's going out and dripping on your people, and you have the social planner. Now, the other thing that we would say you might want to consider doing and adding is you want to add some IntelliVA minutes. You want to add some minutes to your package. Now, what we suggest is let's go down and get 25 minutes. And you might say, well, gosh, 25 doesn't sound like a lot, but it actually is, because literally it takes only seconds for your assistant to talk, to text, to send a message, back and forth. So we're going to add this. That's 200 credits. So we're going to confirm that as well. So far, just repeating what we've used so far, we have the funnel builder, the email marketing, social planner, and 25 IntelliVA. So that's 150, 150, 100, and 200 credits. That's a total of 600 credits. So right now, we feel like that is a great place to get started building. You only spent half of the credits you have. So in other words, you have enough for 2 months of marketing without having to dig into your pocket or do anything. And by that time, if you're using this to market this program, you'll probably have cycled. Remember, every time you cycle, you get more credits. So if you cycle on the 25, you're going to get another 250 credits. If you cycle on the 100, you're going to get another 1,000 credits. So every time you cycle on the 1,000, on the 100 board, you're going to get another 1,000 credits. So you will have way more than enough to take you throughout your entire marketing time if you're planning and doing this correctly. Using these tools correctly, or using them how we're suggesting. And of course, you can add any of these other things that you want. You have way more than enough credits to get this up and running and out marketing for you. So on the next video, we'll show you how to go in and use some of these tools. Now, one thing that I forgot to tell you, the first thing you also want to do is you want to go out and you want to buy a domain name. It's really important because we can't put a funnel. You can't create a funnel and not have a domain name to send them to. So you want to go out. We have a couple of suggestions for you. I purchased mine at something called namecheap.com. I purchased domains at godaddy.com. And you'll see, we'll put in a group some other places. But those are 2 good places to get started, to go ahead and buy a domain name. And then you're going to send that domain name or use that domain name inside of your account, and you'll see that in the next video. You're simply going to log in here. Once you've added these credits, you're going to simply go in here and you're going to go to the marketing suite and log in, and that's when you can start setting everything up. And we're going to show you a couple of templates. We're going to create a couple of templates for you to help you if you're going to be marketing Go E1u. Obviously, you can market any business you want. So next step is for you to buy your domain name and then go to the marketing suite. And once you're inside of there, go to the settings and start filling out the business profile and your own profile. That way that information is in there. So when you start pulling information into your funnel, it's going to come from that section. Okay. Well, we'll show you that once we get over to that section. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, Marshonda. Let's review. First, decide that you are going to put in some time to learn and grow your business tools. Next, go buy your domain name. Then log into Go E1ulife.com and select the tools you want to use. Next, get connected to the Go-Getters community and go to the Learn section and start watching the Go Academy videos. Here is where you can also ask questions and get answers. In addition, watch Marshonda's next training. Finally, get into action. As Mark says, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Take massive action. Remember, action takers are money makers. You got this. Hey, want to stay updated with all the latest tips and tricks? Join Marshonda's channel now for exclusive updates, offers, and everything you need to stay ahead. So do it now, click the subscribe button, and be in the know. Share it with your teammates as well.